Let's go through the links concepts in detail and explore the power of this feature. So let's create a new page. I've given a title to the page as creating links. You can add a link to the page either by highlighting the text to be used as the link and click the link tool, or just click the link tool. So in case I want to add a Google link over here, one option is either I highlight the text to be used as the link and then click on link and insert the link, or copy paste the link. So you can see that we have successfully added the Google link over here, and once you publish this page and click on Google, you will be directed to the Google page. Let's go back. Let's edit the page. So one option was that you can enter the text and highlight it and add the link, or the second option is you can directly go to the link button or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl K. You can insert the link. After establishing the destination of the link, you can modify the text that is displayed to page viewers. So you can add the text over here and hit enter. Both of the links would look the same. You can change the text by clicking on edit link, and in case you want to change the name which will be displayed to the viewers, you can change it from here. So this is how a normal link is inserted on a page. Now let's understand an exciting feature, or you can say a recent improvement Confluence has introduced recently, called smart links. Smart links basically reveal important context about links within a Confluence page or Jira issue without leaving that page. You can view the pertinent link information with just a couple of clicks. Confluence currently provides smart links for only a set of URLs in the current period, but in future they are definitely planning to add more such URLs. So let me show you an example of how a smart links look like. One of the URL where Confluence is providing smart links is Confluence. I'm just typing the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+K. If you select any of the Confluence pages and insert the same on the page, you will see the link is added to the page in a different format than the usual link which we had added for Google. So this particular format is called smart links. Smart links are basically hyperlink only, but with different style. The smart links makes your links pop on the page. You will see the logo from the source of that link, so you can quickly have more information about the type of content. Let's see one more example. So one of the URL under smart links is Google Drive. So if I insert a Google Drive link, so I've inserted a Google Drive link, and you can see that the logo has been displayed over here. So this will definitely help me identify what type of content is there in this link. And one good point over here is that when you are inserting a link to other Atlassian products like Jira, you will get even more details. Like if you add a Jira link, you will get the status of a Jira ticket. Isn't that helpful? As you have seen, the method to insert smart link remains the same as explained before for inserting a normal link. Simply copy paste the URL directly onto the page and it will automatically be converted to an inline link. But that's not all. Confluence has also recently launched a new feature called Smart Links Card View, which provides even richer detail. Through the Smart Links Card View, you can see a small preview of the content plus additional information about it. So let's see how Smart Links Card View looks like. One important point to be noted here: only a smart link can be converted into Smart Links Card View. So in case I want to convert this Google Drive link into a Smart Links Card View, I can do that by just clicking on this link and select the card option. So you have two options: display as link and display as card. So I'm selecting card option, and once I've selected that, you can see it provides some additional information about the link. So since it's a Google Drive link, it provides some brief information on what this page is all about, and you can directly click on the connect button to visit the Google Drive link. So with this powerful feature of Smart Card View, you will be able to open a full embedded preview of your file as well as download it without even leaving your Confluence page. So smart cards, as you can see, offer richer details than the links, and we are expecting more such details will be added to smart cards over time. While we have seen the types of link which can be inserted on a page, Let's look at various ways to format your URL. So in case you want to link to external sites, Confluence blocks or Confluence pages, you can directly navigate to the page whose link you want to use. So in case you want to insert a Google link, as I have shown, you can directly navigate to that page. You can copy the URL and paste the URL in the link tool pop-up where you want to insert it, and give it a more friendly name if desired. Confluence also provides you the option to link to a page comment in a Confluence block or page. So to do that, navigate to the page whose link you want to use. So let me open a Confluence mobile app where we have some comments inserted by Jessica and Anne Maximo. So Confluence provides you the option to link to both page comment and as well as inline comment. So let's first see how page comment can be linked to a page. So in order to link the page comment to the page, click on the date and time link below the comment. So once you do that, the page reloads scrolling. Scrolling you to the comment. So you can see that the link has changed and this is the comment link. Copy this link. Now let's navigate back to our page where we want to insert the link and type Ctrl+K and paste the link. And so I'm just inserting the text as comment for now. So you can see the link has been inserted on the page. In order to see how it looks like once published, let's hit the publish button and click on this. So you can see that once I have clicked on that comment link, I am taken to the respective comment. This is how you can link a page comment. Now let's see how to link a inline comment. So to do that, navigate to the page whose link you want to use. So let's use the same page. Locate the inline page comment you want to link to. So this is the inline page comment. Just click on the comment and click on the date link below the comment. So once you do that, just copy the URL and paste it on the page where you want to insert that comment URL. Inline comment. Let's publish the button to see how it looks like. So once you click on this one, you will be taken to the inline comment which you wanted to link to the page. Let's go back to the editor and see other formatting options we have. So Confluence also provides you the option to link to the email. So to do that, navigate to the page where you want to link to the email and then type the email address in the link tool pop-up wherever you want it to appear on the page. So I'm just linking my email address over here. You can provide a friendly name if desired. So I am just typing Monica's email address. And let's hit enter. And let's publish it. So once you click on this link, you are directly given the option to automatically create a mail to link. So you can use your Outlook or whichever platform you use for emailing purpose. Let's go back to the editor. So the next formatting option is that Confluence also gives you the option to link to a page's attachment. In order to do that, navigate to the published version of the page containing the attachment to which you want to link. So I'm just opening the communication brief page. Let's go to the attachments. Right click on the file name of the attachment and select copy link address. So I wanted to insert the link over here. So I'll just type Ctrl+K and insert the link over here and add the text as attachments and hit publish. So once you click on this attachment link, you will be able to download the attachment directly. Confluence also provides you the option to link to a Jira issue. So this is applicable only where Confluence and Jira are connected. So in order to do that, you will have to navigate to the Jira issue, navigate to and edit the page where you want to link to the attachment. Just copy the URL from the Jira page and paste the URL on the editor page where you want to insert the Jira link. That's all in this lecture. I hope you got a good understanding of how to add links to a page and how to convert it to a smart link and then smart card, which will help you present the content effectively on your page. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.